If you want the absolute worst fenders or mud guards that you can possibly put on a bike, these are it. I'll leave a link in the description below. Sorry for the noise in the background, that's the air conditioner coming on, but these things are absolutely worthless. If you look at this, this is just one ride. Went through a couple of puddles, just a bare minimum amount of mud, but you'll see that it's all over the battery, which is the entire reason that I got these. But look in between the frame right there, nice and dirty. Up here, nice and dirty. And there's some on the other side of the frame. The side of the battery is also very dirty. And of course my bags are completely covered in mud. So, just to give you an idea, this is really all they do. So if I were you, I wouldn't buy this type. You'll just regret it. It's an absolute waste of money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you soon.